Hi, I'm Storm Tracker 18 meteorologist Jess, and today we're going to be feeling much more of that heat and humidity that we've seen the past few days. Heat advisories in effect today. In fact, today they include Pierce and Pepin County, as well as Buffalo, Trempealeau, Jackson. So that's these areas shaded in orange here. And that does mean that these areas could be seeing some potentially hazardous feels like temperatures today between 95 and even potentially 105 degrees further south this afternoon. So that's the kind of heat where you don't really want to be out in it too much, and stay in the AC if you can avoid being out during the peak heating of the day. That's until this evening. So again, going to be another hot afternoon for some of us. In Eau Claire though, heat indices is going to likely be a little bit lower, probably in the low 90s is what it's going to feel like outside. Even warmer though tomorrow. By tomorrow we will be feeling like the mid 90s here. As for actual temperatures, we're expecting mid 80s in Eau Claire, so likely a degree or two cooler than yesterday, and some mid 80s points north and east. But to the south and west, once again, we're really going to be seeing those temperatures near or exceeding 90, especially down into the Coulee region, approaching La Crosse this afternoon, hence prompting that heat advisory. So today you definitely are going to need the AC. The AC really isn't going to get much of a break until the weekend, and this afternoon you're definitely going to need it on full blast because we are going to be feeling that humidity. So even if temperatures only are in the mid 80s in Eau Claire, still going to feel very uncomfortable with sticky dew points in place once again. As for storm chances, can't rule out a pop-up through the morning and again this evening, but looking like chances will be lower today, just a slight chance to see a shower or storm. But if we do see any storms develop, they could contain some small hail. And overnight, looking like if any storms are able to develop, would be to our north. And again on Wednesday, looking like the storm chances should stay just to our north. Perhaps a slight chance for a storm to make it into the area in the afternoon, but generally looking like a dry day for Wednesday as well. Those chances do increase by the time we get into Thursday though. But for today, those highs in the mid 80s, warmer south and west, especially south of 94. Partly cloudy overall today though, partly cloudy again tonight. Slight chance of a storm just north and east of Eau Claire, and the severe threat looking lower than last night, but still feeling very warm and humid, especially into Wednesday, when actual temperatures are going to get into the low 90s, still feeling like mid 80s through Thursday, and we'll see showers and storms chances increasing again Thursday into Friday, with a system that will finally behind it bring us some much needed refreshing air just in time for the weekend, with some sunshine and temperatures in the 70s on the way before storm chances return early next week.